What is batch processing?
Batch processing involves grouping similar tasks together and completing them in a single focused session. This method boosts productivity by reducing context switching and helps you tackle your to-do list more efficiently. Instead of jumping between different types of work, you dedicate set times to specific categories of tasks, making your workflow smoother and more manageable.
Why use task management apps?
The task management apps make it easier to organize, schedule, and track your daily tasks. These apps provide features like lists, tags, due dates, and reminders, which are ideal for implementing batch processing. With digital tools, you can sort tasks by type, urgency, or project, helping you quickly identify which tasks can be completed together for maximum efficiency.
Setting up batch processing.
Start by reviewing your outstanding tasks and identifying similarities. For example, group together all your email replies, administrative work, or creative brainstorming sessions. In your chosen app, such as Todoist, Asana, or Microsoft To Do, create distinct lists or use tags to categorize these batches. Assign time blocks in your calendar to focus on one group at a time without distractions.
Example workflow in popular apps.
In an app like Todoist, create labels for each batch type, such as calls, emails, or writing. Filter your task view by these labels when it's time to focus on a group. In Asana, use custom fields or sections to organize batches. Microsoft To Do allows you to arrange tasks into custom lists for each batch, making it simple to review and tackle group tasks.
Tips for successful batch processing.
Consider setting recurring time blocks each week for your most common batches. Turn off notifications for unrelated tasks during these times to minimize interruptions. Regularly review and adjust your batches as your workload changes. By combining batch processing with thoughtful app use, you'll improve focus, minimize multitasking, and get more done in less time.